Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Alright, so I want her to be, this lady to be able to get access to her water. So I've got this panel where it'll lay over the top of, instead of being underneath one side. Like so. And then I got this piece, the sides are cut off. I want this to lay over. Oh, come on now. And we'll put a couple of screws so it will stay. What is all that?
What?
That noise.
Come on.
Into the ribs there, so that when you take that piece off, it stays where it needs to stay. So all they got to do is take these two screws and get to their water. Shut off.
Well, 4 now.
Huh?
4 screws now. You want me to hold that for you?
No, just this tip is terrible.
I got some in my pocket. You good?
I'm gonna get my money's worth out of it. Looks like it went up. Did. There we go. So you just keep doing that all the way around. Where you want your access, you do the same I showed you just a while ago, and plus you have all those other videos that I've done, including one that just shows you how to cut the metal. But I want you to know that I'm proud to have just talked to a 55-year-old lady who was going to do her own, and she was asking me questions. I want you all to think you are capable. Whether or not you do it or not, you are capable because you're Americans, not Americans. So see you later. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.